All right, guys, welcome back. As you can see, this is part two of the road to the NFT. I brought in the character that I did here in Procreate, and I actually separated all the different features like the shirts, the mouth, eyes, and hats, and I put them in their own separate groups, and I layered them. So the hats are on top, eyes are right under the hats. I'm turning all these on right now so I can resize them. I actually brought it into Photoshop on a larger document, and here are the shirts. And I made the body as the main, and that is at the bottom. So I click one layer at the bottom, hold shift, and then click the top one, and you would select all the layers. And Command T gives me the transformation tool, which I'm just gonna hold up. This is let's keep it all from warping here. I think the snap is on. It's moving a little glitchy here. I have to check. I had to check and see if the snap is on. I think the snap is on. That's why it's bouncing like that. Just check that out. And the good thing about PNGs, it kind of stays exactly how you made it without pixelating. If you resize them. So there we go. Now I am. Hold on, let me see if snap is on here. View, snap to, snap to guide, snap to layers. Let's take all that off. I don't like snap. Snap to guides, take that off also. Take all of that off. Let's see. Okay, guides is not open. That's I'm just gonna test it out, see if the snap, even though I don't want to move it again. Yeah, see, it's not bouncing anymore. There we go. All right, undo that move, and now we're gonna create a new layer. And I went on free. Oh, that's a new group. Sorry, I went on freepix.com. Just minimize this. I went on freepix.com, and I was gonna pick layers for some background. Then I decided I'm just gonna probably use one that I found on. That took me here to Adobe stock photos. These are all free, so I found one that I think I'm gonna just try to edit a bit. Okay, let me just take this one for now. So we'll just go for it. That goes behind the main. And for the other backgrounds, I'm just gonna use color. Okay, I'm just gonna use color. I think that could work. That could work. Okay, let's go to keep that. We're gonna go to, let's go to distort. There we go. That's the one we wanted. There we go. Okay. Beautiful. That is one of the backgrounds, and now we're gonna add 4 more layers. Turn that one off. Give me enough room. Okay. And now all the backgrounds I use, I'm gonna just lower the opacity a bit. I want the character to pop a bit, so I'm gonna change this one. It's red. Okay, with that one, turn this one off. And you hold the shift buttons, you could get the line to be perfectly straight. Let's see what opacity I had this one up to 49. So now all of them will be 49. Get that. So we'll just have one special layer with an alien background. Okay, and then one more here. Let's go with yellow. Lower the opacity. All right, the screen is a little wide. Let's go. Okay, now we're gonna group these layers here. Let's group that. And that is background. All right. Actually, that looks kind of cool with the alien background. Let me see what. Sometimes you make these wow mistakes here. It's almost like a crazy filter. I think I'm feeling that. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna duplicate this and merge all of them. That's what happens. A happy mistake right there. Let's go. Now we'll do 4, 1 regular, 1 just the regular way I had it, and the rest will be. So these two, Command E merges them. Select, Command E, merge. Select, Command E, and we are good to go. Now let's see what they're looking like. Boom. There we go. Boom. All right. So now each of them is unique in its own way. All right. All right. Now I'll put B1 for background 1, B2, B3, B4, and B5. And we are good to go. Now I just want to make sure all the layers are turned on. All right, all the layers are turned on, so when we do go to save this, nothing is missed. There we go. All right, now let's go here, and this is a NFT generator that I'm gonna have the link in the description here for you guys to download, unload the zip file, and all we're focused on is the JSX, the Photoshop Composition Composer, in the Photoshop Composition Composer master folder. And now, once we have all our files that we're happy with, I'm gonna go here to File, Scripts, Browse, find that in Downloads, open. Okay. So I have 3,125 combinations found. Would you like to continue? Yes. Let's go. And then it's asking me where I would like to save it. I'm going to put on desktop, new folder. I'll call that NFT. Create. Okay. Open. PSD documents? No, just JPEGs. And this is going to take a little while. All right, guys, looking good. We're going to touch back bases when this is done. It is done. This is insane. Look at all these different variations of the character I created. This is just insane. 3,100 of pure insanity. Let's just click on one. All right. All right. Just crazy. It's just insane how many combos. All right. We ready to go. Now we are going to go to Rarible, and we are going to just go. And you have to sign in with your wallet here. My wallet is Coinbase. So I have to scan this code here. All right, now we are connected. Okay, now we go to create a single. Choose file. Go ahead to desktop. Okay. All right. This takes some figuring out. Well, guys, we're gonna have to figure out how to get this whole collection up. All right, we're gonna figure this one out. That's it. The challenge we're learning together. So until next time, guys, at least y'all got to see where you can upload at least one of your NFT if you did one or a couple. But seeing that I did a community, I'm gonna have to figure out how to upload all 3,000 of these guys at one time instead of having to go through them one at a time. So if anybody has any suggestions, any comments, of course, drop me a line in the comments. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, help the channel to grow. And appreciate you guys stopping by. So until next time, y'all be good and be safe. Peace.